what should be my preferred currency on my Shopify store? It depends on which countries you're targeting. If you're targeting countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada, these are like the topmost countries for e-commerce. In cases like these, have USD. If you're selling in India, have INR. There are several currency converter apps on the Shopify App Store. So I would go to the Shopify App Store. I would search for currency converter and I'll install any of the free apps available out there. So what's going to happen is that when someone comes from, let's say, Australia, they're going to say Australian dollars. When someone comes from Canada, or let's say when someone comes from London or UK, they're going to see pounds. But the main currency of your store can only be one. And this is going to be visible on the checkout page. So when they go to the checkout page, they will be paying you in US dollars if you've selected US dollars. To keep it simple for you, if you want to run an international business, I'm telling you something, most of your clients are going to be from US. Have US dollars as the primary currency in your store and have a currency converter. In case someone's coming from some other country, they can at least save time in doing the currency conversion.